From Mengadis, I'm heading 6 hours north to the tiny town of Sinisian at the base of Mount Kinabalu.
There she is! Woo, what a beauty. The clouds are just starting to come in. Mount Kinabalu, highest mountain in Malaysia. The peak being roughly about 13,000 feet above sea level. I'm gonna climb that beauty.
Sinisian is going to be my base for this epic climb. It's an agricultural town and home to the Kadazan Dusun people. With fertile land and a cool climate, the Dusun have been reaping rich harvests from these mountain valleys for centuries.
Wow! Woo! What's that about? Jeez. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Kohadi, yeah? Yeah. Hi.
This is Kohadi and his wife Rose, the host family for my time here in the mountains.
It's a whole new side of Malaysia I never knew about. These are the mountain people of Malaysia.
Kohadi tells me I've landed smack bang in the middle of a wedding here at the homestay, but he still managed a little room for me.
Oh, yeah. Wow, lots of room.
He says the band here are knocking out the traditional mountain music as part of the wedding celebration.
Listen.
Hi,
Mr. John.
Yeah, welcome.